हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं वापस आ गई हूँ एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में आप सबसे बात करने के लिए। बट बिफोर आई गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टॉपिक, I want to know from you guys that you guys are staying safe at home, getting yourself vaccinated, and following all the rules and maintaining distance and still taking all the precautions. Well, अगर आप ये सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं, then you must be doing one more thing, and that is watching my videos. So yes guys, I am back again with another very interesting topic to talk about. And आज का जो topic है, it is a trailer of a movie which is going to be released on an OTT platform, not in theaters. Well, हमें खबर आई है कि theaters खुलने वाले हैं from October 22nd in Mumbai, I mean in Maharashtra. I don't think I could have been more excited for anything else, though we will still have to follow all the rules and maintain distance and get ourselves vaccinated and all of that. But still, the fact that theaters open ho rahe hain, that is a very good thing, and it is a good news and gives us some hope कि things are getting back to normal. So yes, but this particular movie जिसका ट्रेलर के बारे में मैं आज आप सबसे बात करने वाली हूँ, this is not getting released in the theaters. In fact, ये 22 अक्टूबर से कुछ दिन पहले ही रिलीज हो रही है. That is on the 15th of October, and it is going to be released on Z5. Well, मैं जिस मूवी के बारे में आप सबसे बात कर रही हूँ, उस मूवी का नाम है रश्मि रॉकेट. वेल, इस मूवी में है तापसी पन्नू. शी इज द ओनली एक्टर जो अ बिगर नेम जो इस पर्टिकुलर मूवी में है. देन डेफिनेटली वी डू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बिग नेम्स हु आर प्लेइंग सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स, बट लीड में है तापसी पन्नू. एंड तापसी पन्नू अगर किसी मूवी में है तो वो मूवी एक कमर्शियल, एक रेगुलर एंटरटेनमेंट वाली मूवी तो नहीं होगी. दैट मूवी हैज टू बी either about a message or an impactful movie or a biography of somebody, but or something just like that. Like, it is not just going to be any entertaining movie just like that. So yes, this movie is also not a very normal commercial movie. This is also a movie based on, inspired actually by the stories of athletes. एंड इसमें जो है तापसी पन्नू प्ले कर रही है एक एथलीट का कैरेक्टर, वेयर शी इज बेसिकली अ मैराथन रनर. एंड इस मूवी में एक मैराथन रनर, आई मीन एक एथलीट, क्या क्या स्ट्रगल से जाता है, ये इस मूवी में दिखाया गया है. Talking about the trailer, I honestly liked the trailer. I really liked Taapsee Pannu in this. I mean, Taapsee, does justice to such kind of characters. She's a perfect actress for such kind of roles. Well, तापसी को कास्ट करके मेकर्स ने डेफिनेटली बहुत इंटेलिजेंट चॉइस की, बिकॉज तापसी कैन 100% pull off a character like this. So kudos to that. Apart from this, even the supporting characters that are there in this movie, जैसे रत्ना पाठक है, and then there are other supporting characters also. These guys have also played their characters very well. At least ट्रेलर में देख के लग रहा है कि जिस तरीके से ये अपना कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, उनमें दम दिख रहा है. They are doing justice to the character that they are playing. On the contrary, जो इसकी ये है स्टोरी है, the storyline is about a female athlete, and then she gets some test done, like a blood test done for some reason, एंड देन उसमें से रिवील होता है कुछ ऐसी चीज जिसको क्लियरली इन्होंने आउट एंड आउट कहा नहीं है ट्रेलर में, बट यू कैन अज्यूम, आप थोड़ा सा प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो कि probably she is, like, this is my assumption that probably she is not a female, but she is probably a transgender kind of thing. That's what I assumed from the trailer. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बिल्डअप दिखाया है, मुझे ये assumption लग रही है. But we'll only know the real truth when the movie comes out. But even if that is the scene, इस movie में दिखाया गया है कि what are the struggles that an athlete can go through if there is a situation like this, and कितना unfair हो जाता है हमारा पूरा system, when something like this comes up. Honestly, all in all, liked the trailer. I liked the story also, and the way these guys have acted in this movie. At least in the trailer, it looks like it is going to be impactful. It is going to create some impact in the business, in the market, and I am looking forward to this particular movie. It gets released on 15th of October this year on Z5. So guys, आप भी देखिए ये मूवी एंड मुझे बताइए आपको ये मूवी पसंद आती है कि नहीं, बिकॉज मैं तो डेफिनेटली देखूंगी, एंड देख के आई विल शेयर माई थॉट्स विद यू इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस ऑन इट. So yes guys, this is my take on the movie Rashmi Rocket. अगर आपको मेरा ये टेक पसंद आया इस मूवी के बारे में, then please do give a like, please do comment below, and if you have any more thoughts that you think you should share with me, or any suggestions or anything at all, then please do comment below, because I would like to hear from you guys. And till then, you guys please take care of yourselves, stay home, stay safe, get vaccinated, and follow all the rules and maintain distance. And I will see you guys soon in the next video with another very interesting topic. So till then, take care guys. Bye bye.